thought that you can convert your text into the numerical in MS Excel. This is one of the most powerful hack in MS Excel. I'm gonna show you. If here are text, so I'm gonna change into the numerical numbers. Just press is equal to and write one formula here and select your range is one cell. I'm gonna selecting and just press enter, and you will see that this numerical number alphabet number cell has changed into the numerical numbers. If I click over here, and you will see that a lot of text cells have changed or converted into the numerical numbers. So like this way you can easily your text into the numerical numbers, and you can see the codes of your text. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, so please subscribe the channel for more videos and visit my profile and YouTube channel for more videos of MS Excel and essential skills of Microsoft.